Hey friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Now are you stuck in split view mode on Google Sheets and want to return to a normal full screen layout? In this tutorial I will show you exactly how to turn off split view in Google Sheets. Whether you are using frozen rows, frozen columns or a browser split screen layout, many users get confused when the screens is divided into two sections. But the fix is actually simple and I will walk you through in is this few seconds. So let's get started. We can see here two Google Sheets split. Now you want to turn off this. Select the second sheet and click and move the first sheet another tab, and we can see we turn off this very easily. Now you can maximize this back, and we can see we turn off split view. Here two sheet in two tab. Otherwise you can split again, click the second tab and move down. Otherwise you can get back again attached. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video in daily. Thanks for watching the video.